What's going on, guys? It's me, Legend Pro. Today we're at a nature reserve and we're gonna go through a trail. See,
it's my life.
Up the tower. We're going up the tower. We're going up the tower. Come on, boys, let's get up the tower. I won't drop it. Let's go. I won't. Let's go! Whoa! Are you dying? Legs.
I'm not good at stairs.
I'm the king of the world! Hello there!
Over.
Yeah, you would probably die.
Would you like to say anything on the camera?
The fact that I'm just thinking of like the scene from Kung Fu Panda where this big guy's going and then he's carrying Bo up the stairs because he was doing his...
This is the blue.
If my face is in any of your clips, edit it out.
Yeah! Yo, what is that? Is that the Pacific Ocean? The Pacific Ocean?
I see water.
Yo, look at that. That's the Pacific Ocean right there, boys. Pacific Ocean.
I see
Is that a Pacific Ocean?
Robber.
Wubba?
Robber.
So apparently, if you look at the... Okay, there's too many trees, but if you look at the mountain over there,
Yeah?
it's supposed to look like a dog's head. Hey, I climbed up
I
this
don't
mountain.
see it.
I
Do
climbed up
you
this
see it? I don't think that looks like a dog's head.
We got Austin, I climbed up this mountain. You gotta,
Oh, wow.
Come on, you gotta read the history.
Okay, let's read the history. The mighty Fraser River divides the coast and contains the range of the Pacific Ocean.
Fraser River is like huge, actually. Look
Dude,
at
that's
that.
insane.
It's actually
Dude, it's better? The Pacific Ocean.
right, Lucas? The Pacific Ocean.
It's me, Legend Pro, and today we got a wheel. Oh yeah! We found a wheel by a dumpster. Content! It's me, Legend Pro, and today we got a wheel. Wheel. See it? I see the froggy. There's a frog in the wild habitat. It's the froggy.
He's a chilling boy. He's so... Okay, look how chill he is.
Oh, that frog looks so cute. Oh my goodness. He's a little froggy. He's right here. This is me in the wild habitat. Here we have a froggy. His name is Frogster or Frank. Be careful, it might be poisonous. We don't know because I'm actually not a zoologist. And we have the froggy in his wild habitat. You should know that he's a froggy. And we have a dog trying to attack the frog.
Well, the
He is a
frog.
froggy if you couldn't tell.
The frog is
He has 4 legs. I think he's an amphibian. Yeah, we have the creature, and now we're gonna split it. No, I'm not gonna do that. Because what if he's poisonous? We don't know. Yeah, we'll find next time on Froggy Zoologist. That's not actually a Froggy Zoologist. We'll be back next time on Dragon Ball Z. See ya.
Can you send me that?
There's ducks.
Duck on stick.
Yes, ducks on sticks. We love ducks on sticks.
That's a goof.
Oh, look at the little duckies.
Quackity quack quack. Ah.
This place is so nice. What would you like to say?
Don't post this on YouTube. I haven't revealed my face.
Oh, okay. I'll post it.
Like you might have.
Falls off again.
Cannonball!
Look at the birds. Birdies in the wild habitat. The birds are birds. Birdies in the wild habitat. There's a bird.
Okay.
It's Frank. He's still alive. He's still breathing. He's okay. We'll come see if Frank's still alive next year. See ya. Thanks for watching, guys. Hit that like, subscribe button, and hit that noti bell.
Turtlenecks and a partridge in a pear tree.
And a partridge in a pear tree. On a wheel by a dumpster.
I'm just thinking of like the scene from Kung Fu Panda where this big guy's going and then he's carrying